Hi all. Today I'm here on effective job search strategies. Here are few ways to search for a job. We have online web portals, websites like LinkedIn, Naukri, Glassdoor, Indeed, and much more. You can search based on the job type, industry, and location. You can also search on company websites. Most of the companies post regularly on their websites. You can go to the careers tab and you can view all the latest opportunities available. You can filter based on your job type. If you are interested in working with a specific company, you can regularly follow the careers page to get to know about the latest opportunities. And we have a lot of recruitment agencies. You can register with the reputed recruitment agency in your field. They often have job opportunities available even though if it is not advertised elsewhere. Working place keyword. You can let your friends, family and former colleagues know that you are looking for a job. If they know any of the job opportunities available, they will share with you. You can also attend industry events, job fairs, network events to grow your connections. So it will be easy to get a suitable opportunity. Social media is one of the best platforms. You can follow the companies on platforms like LinkedIn, Insta, Facebook, and Twitter. They often post job opportunities on their social media platforms. If you're interested in working with specific company, you can send targeted resume and cover letter showing your interest working with them, even though if they don't have any job opportunities available. Once they have the suitable opportunity, they will definitely contact you. Always deliver the customer's resume and cover letter and prepare for the interview by researching about the company and preparing common questions. Networking and persistence are key for a successful job search. Wishing you a bright and successful career ahead. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.